All right, what's going on, guys? So we're out here on the south side of town, and we're gonna go ahead and check out these brand new townhomes built by DR Horton. They're all priced in the mid 300,000s, so you're definitely gonna want to stay tuned. Hey guys, so real quick, if you're new to my channel, they call me Russ. I'm a realtor out here in Las Vegas, and I provide videos of walkthroughs, what it's like living here in Las Vegas, and of course, what it's like to purchase a house here in Las Vegas as well. So if those are videos for you, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button, as well as the notification bell. That way you're always notified about new videos that I come out with. All right guys, so again, we're out here on the south side of town. We're gonna get ready to check out these two floor plans by DR Horton. One is the 1437 model and the other is the 1344 model. And to give you an idea, that is the South Point Casino all the way down there. Give you an idea of exactly where we're at here in the valley. So we're off the I-15 and the Silverado Ranch exit. And we're gonna go ahead and walk into this townhouse. So HOA here is gonna be $113. Build time is going to be about anywhere from 2 to 3 months. Just really depends on what they have available. So that's going to be your condenser right there. Wanted to walk all the way back here because wanted to show you that although there is a patio slider, there really isn't any enclosed backyard. So keep that in mind. All right, let's go ahead and walk inside. All right, so again, 1437 square feet. Here's that patio slider that I mentioned. And pretty open area. So you're gonna have your main living room area right here. They've got nice vinyl planks as your flooring. Good size island right here. One thing I did notice is it's not going to be a gas stove. You're going to have an electric stove here, but you are going to have the microwave, your fridge, dishwasher, and a washer and dryer all included. All right, that's going to be your pantry. Got really nice shaker cabinets with the hardware right here. That's going to be the door to the garage right there. Here's the half bath. I've got this little storage closet right here. Little Harry Potter closet. Everyone loves those. But you're going to have 8-foot ceilings down here. And the one thing I did notice is they have a good amount of lighting already included right here. You've got another one right there. All right, let's check out upstairs. All right, so you've got a good sized loft right here. There's a couple floor plans that does not have a loft. The other good thing about this floor plan is it does have the 2-car garage versus a 1-car garage. So we've got the 2 spare bedrooms right here. Got the sliding closets. This is going to be facing the front of the house right there. Got an LED puck there. Here's the other spare bedroom. Now the one thing I like about DR Horton is what they say is everything is included. What you see is what you get, which is really nice, really simplifies the whole buying process, and really delivers a home that's fully turnkey ready. All you gotta do is move in your stuff. You've got all the appliances already hooked up. You've got all the window coverings versus other builders where those are appliances you're gonna have to remember to purchase. We're talking about the fridge, the washer and dryer, and a lot of times people forget about window coverings. So we're in the primary bedroom right now. Really good size. You've got 2 big windows right here. Give you a view from this side. Here's a primary bath. So you're gonna have a nice walk-in shower right there. Single sink. This is interesting. So here's the closet. So it's a walk-in closet, but it's not an enclosed walk-in closet. I'm sure there's options there that you can do to kind of enclose that if you did want to, but not a bad size. Here's a smart panel box. So as usual, that's going to house all your cables right here, your modem, your router. Give you another peek right here, the primary bedroom. Linen closet. And of course your washer and dryer. That's located up here. So, not bad for this 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhouse. So let's go ahead and move on to the next one, which is a 1344 square foot model. Okay, so before we walk into the 1344 model right here, one of the main differences again is this is going to have the 1-car garage versus the 2-car garage over here. And obviously square footage, we're talking about 1344 square feet. All right, so you're gonna have your stairs right there. You got your coat closet. Same details, you got your 8-foot ceilings. I'm really digging all the lighting that they provide for you with these floor plans, because believe it or not, there's a lot of builders out there that it's gonna be extra to have extra lighting in your family room or in your dining area. So they did a great job having that all included for you. Give you a quick view right here from the family area. So really open space here. So that's going to be the designated dining area. Again, you've got that slider that leads outside. But again, unfortunately, it's not an enclosed backyard. So which is kind of strange. But nonetheless, at least you've got a large window and got a little place if you want to set up for something to hang out outside. So you got this little breakfast counter right here. They've got it modeled with 3 stools right there comfortably. So again, you can entertain a good amount of people still in this townhouse. They've got beautiful gray quartz countertops. They've got the white shaker cabinets again, like the previous model. Not soft close. Your fridge and appliances that's going to be all included is going to be Whirlpool brand, all stainless steel. And again, it's not a gas stove. We're talking about a electric stove. So just definitely keep that in mind. But they do have this nice, beautiful undermounted single basin sink. Here's your dishwasher. So not bad. I think this is gonna be the door. Oh no, this is the half bath. This should be the door to the garage. Garage door open. So that's gonna be your 1-car garage right there. The nice thing is they've got the tankless water heater, which is going to be included. The nice thing about the tankless water heater is not only is it energy efficient, and the thing is you'll never have to worry about running out of hot water. It does take a few moments to get that hot water going, but once you get that hot water going, you'll never run out. All right, so let's make our way upstairs here. And while I'm walking up these stairs, Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about these 2 floor plans so far. Are you looking for a townhome? Are you considering moving on this south side of town? If so, I'll have all the information to these communities down below. All right, so we got the 2 bedrooms here. Here's bedroom 1, which is towards the back of the house. Got your washer and dryer. Again, all included. Got bedroom 2 right here. Got your full bath, single sink, matching cabinetry from downstairs. Got your tub, shower combo. It's nice they got the vinyl planks that matches the downstairs as well. And walking this way, we've got the primary bedroom. So we'll have the full bath right here. Same deal, you got the single sink over the quartz countertop. You've got an enclosed walk-in shower. And then you've got your primary bedroom right here. So here's one thing I do like. I like how it's an enclosed walk-in closet versus the other one that was inside the primary bath, which it wasn't even enclosed. And the primary bedroom on this floor plan sits on the front of the house. So we're right above the garage. Now the one thing to keep in mind, especially here in Vegas, is typically the bedroom that sits right above the garage is gonna be either the hottest during the summer or the coldest during the winter. Oh, did not realize you've got 2 walk-in closets. So you've got one right here and another one right there. That's actually really nice. So you've got a little his and hers style walk-in closet. That's pretty cool. There's a smart panel box. So the main difference between this 1344 model versus the 1437 obviously is you're not going to have a loft here, and also you're going to have a 1-car garage versus a 2-car garage. All right guys, so that concludes the home tour of these townhomes. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about both floor plans, what you didn't like, what you did like. And of course, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button, as well as the notification bell. That way you're always notified about new videos that I put out about real estate and living here in Las Vegas. All right guys, see you guys on the next one.